In this quick video I will show you how to change the batteries on the Philips Outdoor motion sensor. So you will need a Phillips head screwdriver to screw these screws almost all the way out. Also the bottom one, screw it almost all the way out. It's surprisingly tight when you get the back cover out for the first time, so if you take the screws all the way out you will have a hard time getting the cover open. So just leave them a bit in, so then you can pull on them, pull on each corner, and then you will get the cover out. So it's running on 2 AA batteries. After you get the cover out, it's just easy to get these out and replace them. So this rubber seal makes it a bit harder to open, but it also gives the waterproof feature for the device. So that's how you change the batteries. Then just put the screws all the way back in and you will be done. So if you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for other do-it-yourself videos and smart home videos. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks and bye.